the Nifty Scrapbooker. Today we're outside on this beautiful, wonderful day, getting ready to go inside and see what our June Kiwi Club kit looks like. If you haven't already ordered yours, or if you don't get the Kiwi Club kits, this will tell you a little bit about what comes in a club kit. You'll get 10 sheets of paper, some cards that have titles on them and sayings, as well as journaling boxes. Sometimes you'll get some extra embellishments, like in this kit today. And don't forget the templates. Every month you'll get a set of templates. If you don't want to get the whole kit, you can always get the template only Kiwi Club kit, and you can get on my website on Kiwi Lane and figure that out. So let's get started in this next June Kiwi Club kit unveiling. And welcome to the Nifty Scrapbooker. Today we're going to do an unveiling of the June Kiwi Club kit. It's called Born to Be Awesome, and I've been so excited to get into this album kit, and let's get started. Okay, just so you know, if this month you haven't got these sets yet, the Adventure Accessory Set, the Mountain a la carte, and the Pickup a la carte are all on sale. So, we'll have to, let's pull this out. All the pieces. Let's pull off the corners, which I think were so smart for them to do. Oh, we got some templates, we got some embellishments, we got our card pack. If I can get it out of here. There we go. Let's set all this stuff aside. We're going to talk about the paper first. This is some awesome paper we got here. So, the first piece of paper we have here says, be brave, be strong, handsome, today is a great day, never give up. It's all about attitude, born to be awesome, explore, play. It's just all kinds of different sayings on that. And on the back of that is a houndstooth in a dark gray. That's our first one. Ooh, we have a nice red plaid. This kind of a camping theme it almost looks like here. Flannel shirt. There is what looks like zigzags, like almost like mountains, in a brown. Here's a gold stripe, diagonal stripe going down here. Oh, this one has X's all over it. Did you see that? Yep. Oh, here's one with bears and cars and guitars and wolves and buffalo and parachuters and all kinds of different things. Isn't that a great piece of paper? And then on the back of that is a, oh, I don't know what color you call this, almost a greenish gold there. Here's a kind of a stripe pattern in a teal, a dark teal, with looks like plus signs on the back. You can see that pattern a little better there. It's in like a tan. Oh, here's another plaid. So this one's going diagonal. It's a blue and brown one. So got that on that side, and then we got some vertical stripes here in navy. And here's our background sheets. So we got these two sheets, and they are double-sided also. You can either use this beige stripe here or this wavy zigzag pattern in the teal. Those are for that. And then here's a blue stripe on one side and a beige zigzag pattern on the back. So we have similar patterns but different colors. So that'll be great. I love that dark navy. That's beautiful. So those are our, let's see, you get two sets of background sheets, background paper, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can never remember if it's 10 or 12 go into these packs. So it's 10. 10 sheets of awesome, very sturdy, thick pieces of paper. And so those will be your papers for June. I know June's almost over, but I've been so busy this June, I haven't been able to get this unveiled for you yet. And let's look here at our cards here. It looks like a motorcycle helmet and says, "Let's go." On the back of that one is just a patterned piece of paper. "No excuses, play like a champion." And a red on the back of that one. Here's a Discover, and it's a journaling box. I love when they add journaling boxes. An orange background. "Killing It" in a red with a beige background, or a light, almost pastel yellow there. "Let the Good Times Roll," and there's one of those cards we saw on one of the other pieces of paper with the red on the background. "The Secret of Life, Just Enjoy the Ride." So we have that houndstooth yellow on the back of there. Here's another journaling box. Awesome. With the red on the back. I love when they add these journaling boxes. Oh, wait, here's another one. Adventure. Another journaling box with the background and a color. So that's 1, 2, 3 journaling boxes in this group. That's great. "Live More, Worry Less." And there's an orange background on that, a burnt orange background. "I Love You More Than I Can Bear." B-E-A-R. And there's a picture of a bear with that houndstooth yellow on the back. And those are all our, let's see, these are 3 inches by 4 inches. Those are all 3x4 cards that we have in the set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 3x4 cards. Out of those 10, we have 3 journaling cards and 7 saying cards. So let's get these picked up and we'll look at our other ones. Now these other ones are, I believe, 4x4. Let's just measure them real quick. 4x4. It says, "Today I'm excited about everything." It has a teal background. What I love about these bigger ones is you can use your templates to cut out a shape around it and have it, this quote, be a shape instead of just a square box. "Open Mind, Big Dreams, Wild Heart." There's that one with the houndstooth yellow on the back. And "Adventures Over Things, Stories Over Stuff." So adventures over things, stories over stuff. That's a good one for camping. Okay, here's our 4x6 sheets. "Papa Bear." There we go with that one. "I'm in the business of being awesome." So there we have that orange background. And this is kind of cool. This side says "Be Brave." This says "Be Wild, Be Free." And you could cut this down the middle and use it as a title for a page or something. So those are our 3 4x4s and our 3 4x6s cards. So those are all our cards for this set, along with the 3x4s. We'll set these aside now. And we'll go on to some of the accessories we have this time. We have this pack of stars. Oh, looky there. What kind of stars? Let's see what kind of stars we got in here. See if they're adhesive or not. It looks like they're made out of cork. So we have some little, some medium. Looks like one of my cork stars got a broken part on it. And these are not self-adhesive. These we'll have to glue on. And there's one that's all full. And here's little stars that came with it that are made out of cardstock. So there's some of those patterns we saw on those papers already cut out, punched out into stars. So we have 5 paper stars and 5 cork stars. So let's go ahead and drop these back in here so I don't lose any of these stars. I thought the cork was adhesive. Not this time. It was the back of the paper stars is what I was seeing. So let's get these back in here. I don't want to break any more of my cork stars. There's our other big star. At least I have one big star that's whole. Some of these papers I think would be good for like 4th of July even, that kind of thing. Alrighty, got all that sealed back in there. And let's look at this title piece. It says, "Today is awesome." Well, if I can get it open. This is made out of, I don't know. It's not a plastic, I think, and it bends, so there's some flexibility to it, but I think this is made out of a very thick cardstock. I mean, that cardstock is really thick. It's almost it's about 1/16 of an inch. But that's a great template there. Today is awesome. So that's a nice thing to put on a piece of paper. You have to probably use some liquid adhesive to glue that sucker down. So, alright, now what you've all been waiting for, the June Kiwi Club templates. There's some big ones in this set. So this set comes with, I think, 4 templates. The first ones are Cliffhanger 1A, and Cliffhanger 1B. Those are the 2 templates. They can actually mesh like that. If you're cutting them out of a single sheet of paper, you can do like we do some of our other templates. Cut this side out, cut this down this side, and then just draw along this and cut this side out. And then you have both pieces. So that could be neat to layer almost like that on a piece of paper. We have an a la carte Ranger badge. Isn't that cool? And an a la carte bear. So those are our 4 templates. The 2 Cliffhanger templates. Let's lay them all out here so you can see them all individually. There's our 4 templates we got this year. A la carte Ranger, a la carte bear, and our Cliffhanger 1A and Cliffhanger 1B. So the a la carte Cliffhanger. So those are templates for this. So this month in June. So don't forget this wonderful array of paper we got in various colors. Our wonderful templates we got, like the bear. I love him. An awesome title for a page. Today is awesome. Some cool stars in cork and paper. And of course all these wild quotes and journaling boxes that we got. So this is the June Kiwi Club Kit. Come back next month for a look at the July Kiwi Club Kit, as well as ways to use this Kiwi Club Kit to make pages. And you might even find a page of this, maybe a couple pages of this, on my Etsy site. Don't forget, I now sell my completed pages on Etsy. You can go to www.etsy.com/shop/TheNiftyScrapbooker. It's at the end of the video if you missed that. So I hope to see you soon on my Etsy site. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.